Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the daily newspaper of Friday, September the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the Killer Sudoku. And today it's the first Friday of the month. So we do a speed test without comments, without instructions. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will complete this third puzzle here, the third regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku number 9 2 3. We have here 3 given numbers. The one. Alright, for Killer Sudoku, we have 3 given numbers: the 1, the 7, and the 8. And for Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus, it will be a 3-star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 1 minute already passed. Okay, 17 should be 7, no, 8 and a 9. Here 7, here 10. Okay, let me see. Here 18, 15, 33, 44. This should be a 1. This should be the 6, 8 and a 9. Here 15, 28, 28, 37 should be an 8, 9. Oh, correction, this should be a 7. 7 plus 8, okay. This can be an 8, this should be a 9, 8. 50. No. 8, 8, need an 8 there. Can it be an 8? Could be an 8. Wait. Here we have 1. Here also this one with 1 sharing box. 17. This is 20, 37, 47, 44. This should be a 1. This was 6. 4 and a 1, 2 and 3. Others should be 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Here also 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Okay. Come on. 1. 1. Could be here, could be there, the 1. Need an 8 here. 8 and a 1. 8 and 2. Need a 5 here. 5 and a 7. Come on. 8. Need an 8. 1. Need a 1 here. 1. Let me scan. 2 and a 1. 39, 10, 40, 10, 6 cannot be here. 6. There. 6. Oh, there 6. Come on. 9 and a 6. 2. It's not easy. Alright, here, these 3. 1, 2 should be here. 3 should be here. 2, 5, and I need a 6 here. 2, 3, 6. Here can be 2. Need a 5 here. 5, 4, 5. 5 and an 8. 5 and an 8. Well, we have an 8 here, so that 4 and a 5 should be here. Need a 9. 9 and a 1. 9 and a 4. Need an 8. 8 and a 5. No. We have a 5 here. 8 and a... No, we already have an 8 here. 7 cannot be here. 7 and 3. 7 should be here. 7 and 6. The other should be 1 and a 9. 1, 9, 9, need a 9 there, okay. 7 and 6. Come on. 1, 2, need a 3 here. 3, 7, 6. We cannot place the 6 there, so the 6 could be here, could be there. 7 and a 3. Here can be 7. Could be here, could be there. Cannot be a 5, cannot be a 5. Need an 8 here. 8 and a 2. 8 and a 5, okay. This one. 20, 34, 40. This should be the 5. This should be the 7 then. 7, 7, 7, 7. No 5 here. This should be the 5. This should be the 4. Here, need a 5 there. 1, 2. Cannot be a 3 here. 3 and a 7. Here can also not be a 3. 3 and a... This should be the 3 then. 7. So the 7 and the 6. Here can be 7 then. This should be the 7. This should be the 6 then. 2 and a 3 here. This should be the 6. 4 and 5. Okay. 4, 5. Need an 8. Here. 8 and a 5. No need. Cannot place the 5 here. 5 should be there. 8 and a 5. This should be the 4 then. This should be the 5 then. This should be the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 should be here. Need a 7 here or there. Need a 7. 7 and 5. 7 and 5. Need a 1 here. 1, 1. 1 and a 9. 8 and 9. Need a 2. Need a 4. 2, 4. 2, 4. 2 plus 4. 6. 6 plus 8. 2, 4, 8. So this should be the 9. This should be the 8. 8, 8. Here should be the 8. 2 and a 4, okay. 4, 4, need a 4 here. 2, 8, 7. Need a 7 there. Come on, come on. Need a 9. 9 and a 1. 9 and a 1. 9 and a 2. Need a 2. Need 9, 2. The other should be 3 and a 4. 3 and 4. Here can be a 3. Can be a 4 here. So 2 and a 9. 3 and a 4. cannot place the 4 here. 4 and a 6. We have a 6, 4, 3, 4 and the 6, 3 and the 7. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 9. Come on, come on, come on. 6, 6, 6. 7. Need a 5, need a 9. Cannot place the 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 and a 3. This 3 need a 3 there. Here can we... No 9. No 9. 5 and a 1. Here should be the 1. 1 and the 8. 5 and the 4. Same here. 8 and a 4. So we have 1 here. This should be the 1. This should be the 2. This should be the 2. This should be the 9. 2 and a 3. Come on, come on. 2 and a 4 and 1 and a 5. 5, 5, need a 5. There, 4 and a 5. 8 and a 7, 9. And a 6, 8 and a 7. So these will be 3 and 6. 6, 6, need a 6 there. This should be the 6. This should be the 4. Here, 4. 1, 1, need a 1 here. Can be a 1, so 1 and a 9. Can be a 1, so the 2 and a 3. So 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 9. Okay. Need a 7 and 7, 5 and 7, 5. We have a 6 here. This should be the 6. This should be the 9. 9, 2, 3. Okay. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here. This should be the 5. This should be the 1, 8, 4. 1 number left. 2 should be here. 2, 9 plus 5. 5 should be here. 1. 2 numbers left. 1 and 9. Here can be 1. This should be 9, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 2, 8 and a 5. 8, 7 and 2. Need a 2 here. 8 and a 7. Here we have a... Oh wait, we have a 7 here. This should be the 8. This should be the 7. 1, 2, 3. This should be a 4 then. Yeah. 6 plus 8. Okay. 2, 3 and 6. Need a 6 here. 2, 6. This should be the 3. This should be the 2. 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 7. 2 and 4. Finished. 40 minutes. Wow. So again. Yeah. And I like this one, yes, I really do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.